And my better half. Caught my first tagged fish. He may not be quite two. All right, guys, there's the first little bass. Not a bad little bass on the nugget. All right, let's get him back. Gary, you ever seen a nugget? Hey guys, I was just paddling Gary, watching Gary fish, and I had this lure hanging in the water. This nugget from Hildebrandt. This crappie about took my rod from me. Huh. Glad it wasn't a 2 or 3 pound bass. It'd been gone. There you go. Cool.
Tail still red on the bottom.
Alright, good morning everyone. I'm out here at world famous Gary Ribet. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Froggy Water Outdoors, many of you may know him by. We've been wanting to fish together a long time. We are on a central Piedmont, North Carolina river, going after bass, Roanoke bass. Hopefully we're gonna both get a citation Roanoke bass today. We're gonna make it happen. If we don't, well, that's just one of them days. Let's get busy. Let's see if we can get at least 2 in the boat. All right, guys, we're at a good spot. Let's see if we can pull one out of this hole. What are you using, Gary?
I've got a Pond Magic with a
Strike King?
That's actually a Mega Bass trailer.
Mega Bass?
Yeah. It's a Strike King spinnerbait, but it's got a Mega Bass trailer on it.
So he's got a small spinnerbait. Let's see if we can get one out of here. Little bass, guys. Little bass.
Woo! Okay. So, I have commandeered Mack's camera and he doesn't know it. He is currently, let's see if I can get him. He is currently up there fishing. So, while I'm down here looking like I'm getting lures, oh, I'm going to do a little update. So it's my first trip out with Mack. I've known Mack for in the fishing world, I have known of Mack for about 17 years. He is the most knowledgeable river person I know. Like, I have questions about something, I'll call him and he'll give me the information. Some people don't know who I am, but I am Gary Ribet on Froggy Waters Outdoors. I used to do canoe and kayak fishing trips all over North Carolina. Well, When I tell you the man's smarter than I am, he's that guy. And so I've been begging him, and finally got him to take me out, and here we are out here fishing, and he hasn't disappointed. Now, at my fault, I haven't been able to connect like I wanted to, but it wasn't at any fault of his. He has absolutely put me on the fish. And I did lose my personal best Roanoke right here at the side of the boat, and it's a little disheartening, but at the same time, if he hooked up, that means I did something right. So always remember, you know, if you get that bite, that means you did something right. So anyway, I'm gonna cut this off before I get in trouble and he won't ever take me fishing again. And just realize that that man is very, very smart. Pays to listen to what he has to say. Y'all have a great day.